Okay, so I am filming my intro and outro directly on my iPad today. So I've never done that before, so we'll see how that goes. Just kind of glancing at it, it doesn't look like the video quality is quite as good as on my phone. My phone is quite a bit newer, so that makes sense. Anyway, moving on. So I've done some thrifting. I went on a semi-big-ish thrifting trip up to Arlington the other day, and then just did some thrifting around town. And so I wanted to show you that. And, you know, I'm not going to show you how I style or remake any of it in this video, but some of those things will be coming soon. Okay, lighting in here is really, really bad. So I think I'm gonna have to take off my glasses. So I hope I'm showing you what I think I'm showing you on all these. All right, so, yesterday, the first place we went to was Habitat for Humanity in Arlington, the restore. And there I got this big basket. It is quite large. So I have two ideas for this. One, shoes at the front door. Two, pull-ups and wipes and things like that. But hopefully we won't actually need it for that for much longer. So I'm thinking shoes. Anyway, it was $8. I didn't get a lot of footage there. It was a very kind of awkward location. I didn't get a lot of footage of anything, or not of anything, but I didn't get much footage of any of the places I went yesterday because they were very loud, they were very crowded, it was just awkward. So just didn't get much. So the Habitat for Humanity in Arlington, I kind of have mixed feelings about. Some of the prices were amazing, and then others I was like, why is it this much? Anyway, so, I just really, I don't know. And this was a big fail. It was in a box. We thought it was a real one, and we didn't look, and we didn't read anything, and we weren't paying any attention. We were just excited to see it. And, cause my daughter really, really wants one, which I would like one too, but anyway, it's a toy. So kind of an annoying toy at that. So it's my son's now. All right. They had a pretty good selection of linens. I didn't really get to look through them, but they had a lot. And there goes my youngest daughter walking away. I really liked these canisters, but there was a chip in one. Actually, I think there was a chip in both of them. And there were only two, and the smallest one really wasn't big enough for anything in my house anyway. I debated for a long time about the lamps. In fact, there was one, that's the one thing I regret not getting from the whole day, is a particular lamp, and you will see that in my cart in a minute. So, Thrilled Thrifter always says, if you're going to think about it in your cart. So that's what I did. Because if you go back later when you decide you want it, it may not be there. So I put things in my cart that I was going to think about, and you'll see some of those later too. But I put a lot of it back. And anytime I'm shopping, if someone's with me, I'll ask them, or I'll send pictures of people. I'll be like, talk me into or out of all of this. Anyway. So, y'all, I know I look rough and probably shouldn't be in public like this, but it's hot and humid. It's Texas. That's all I gotta say. But like, I walk around talking to myself as I shop, and I know I look like a complete lunatic. I'm just always praying that other people are doing it too, or that nobody can hear me. Not filming a whole lot in here because it was crazy busy and crowded, and I was just in people's way the whole time. So, film what I can. Not having a whole lot of luck with that though. Alright guys, if you are enjoying this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, thrifting, thrift flips, just crafting, card making, basically just kind of creating your own affordable life, then go ahead and subscribe if you're not already, and share it with someone else that you think would be interested. Let's just build a community of people that want to live creatively and affordably. I am at Texas Thrift in Arlington now, and this place is enormous. It is hugely clothes. I mean, there's a lot of clothes. The prices seem to be pretty good. I've already picked up something for my daughter. So we'll see. All right, so then we went to one of the Goodwills. I'll have to look it up and see exactly which one, because they have several, and I'll put it in the description. My son is being a dinosaur in the living room, so that is what you're hearing. Anyway, I was very impressed with that store. I liked it a lot. They have a lot of good home goods, tons of clothes. It was a very large store, good prices. And there, I put back a lot of stuff. So what I actually ended up getting was this adorable snuffer. So it's a candle snuffer, but it's like, I don't know what I'm showing. I'm squinting to see, so I'm sure I look stupid. An acorn and a leaf. It's so cute. And it is $2.99. Thought that was a really good price for that. So I am gonna put that away for just the fall, I guess. But it was so cute. I could not pass that up. And I have been wanting a candle snuffer for a while. So I still need to find one kind of generic one, but I got that one. The next thing I got, or the only other thing I got there, was a pie plate. I was actually kind of excited about this too, because I really didn't want the inexpensive ones at, like, even at Walmart, are just the plain glass, nothing exciting. And not that this is so very exciting, but it's white. It's pretty, and it's vintage. I don't think it's really old, because it does say for range and microwave, so it doesn't say dishwasher safe though. Anyway, we needed another one, so I was happy to see this. $3.29, not bad at all. The third thrift store that we went to was Texas Thrift in Arlington, and it was Texas sized, like it lived up to its name. It was enormous. And clothing wise, like, that is the place to go. There were really good prices and enormous selection. I can't overstate it. There's a lot. This may be the only thing that I got there. It's this. Do y'all know what this is? If you saw my last video, then this is probably really actually funny to you, because just, less than a week ago, or about a week ago, I made something. This is my grandmother's dome. And I made something for this to go on. Well, yesterday, yeah, I found, and that's, like, this is what she had. Anyway, it was $1.98. So, yay. So now that thing I made in last week's video, which you haven't seen, you need to go see it, because it is very pretty. Just put candles, other decorations on it. It's just gonna be a generic riser. It doesn't have this purpose anymore. And then the last place we went, I thought it was Family Thrift when I was searching for thrift stores just on my map app on my phone. But when we got there, it was like Collins Street. I'll have to look it up again. But I didn't get anything there. I'm kind of wishing I had picked this up. That would have been cute to stick on the side of my cabinets by the sink and hold a hand towel. I think that would have been cute. But, oh well. So this thing has been here for a while. It looks like it was part of like a triple beam balance or something. And the former science teacher in me just really wants an old triple beam balance in my home. Okay, I spent $10 at Souls Harbor. I got these books. I'll show y'all more specifically in a minute. A bunch of old vintage patterns, a bottle for my girl, and these two little like candle looking type lamps. And then I spent $2.16 with tax at Helping Hands. And now I am waiting in line to get my food at Jack in the Box because that's what I'm doing today. Not worrying so much about the diet, I guess. Declan heard his toy, so he had to come in and get it. Okay, so today I went to Souls Harbor here in Ennis, and there I did film a little bit, and I got this whole bag of vintage patterns. And so what I do with that, hold on just a second, let me finish, okay? And then we'll go to the living room. So I cut out the people and make cards and gift tags and ephemera packs and things like that. He is determined to get up on this bed. Okay, hold on, let me finish. Then I was really excited about these. I found these 4 books. Almost done. I found these 4 books and they're so cute. Captain's Courageous, Black Beauty, Penrod and Sam, Stories from Dickens. This one for sure I'm going to keep. I'm not sure about the other 2, what I'm going to do with them. Might be gifts, may try and sell them. I don't know. Okay, hold on. So Declan is helping from this point on, and it gets really interesting. So I got these 2 little candles that I'm going to need to, not candles, lamps, that I need to redo, and you'll see in an upcoming video. And those were from Souls Harbor. The scrap material and the rolling pin that Declan just really loves to play with, both were from Helping Hands. This footage is really funny to watch now. I'm sorry. And then Craft More, Worry Less sweatshirt. I felt like I needed that for the winter crafting. The fabric I'm going to use for a 4th of July project. That was my thrift haul. Had a few interruptions trying to film that. And I will try in future to get more footage of the actual thrift stores. It just doesn't always go very well. I watch a lot of these thrifters and I'm like, how are they filming so much of the actual thrift store? I can't, I'm not there yet. So thank you very much for spending this time with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.